Hello everyone, and welcome to a new series I have elected to call Calculus for Hot Girls. Today, we shall be going over the fundamental theorem of calculus. Okay, so what is the fundamental theorem of calculus? The fundamental theorem of calculus, God, that's a wordful, is basically the theorem of calculus, or the concept that relates differentiation to integration. Alright, so the big idea. Differentiation and integration are inverse operations. This is key. So what do I mean by inverse operations? Alright, 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So 6 plus what equals 12? 6, if you didn't know. I know you're saying, really, not, come on, really this, but I'm making a point. Same thing. Okay. 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 divided by what equals 3? 4, that's right. No, should I do like a Mickey Mouse thing? That's kind of, no? Okay, it's fine. All right. So how does this relate to differentiation and integration? Okay, so say we're given the function x squared, right? The derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. So if I integrate 2x, that is going to be equal to x squared plus c. Sorry, I know my head's blocking. It's going to be... I know my big head is blocking the c, but it's going to be equal to x squared plus c. And now you might be thinking, why plus c? Well, c stands for a constant. Because if we take the derivative of x squared, we don't know if this is the derivative of x squared plus 1, x squared plus 2, x squared plus 1013. Like, it could be any of those because the derivative of a constant is just 0. So having this plus c is our way to account for that. Okay, so now relating this to more concepts of differentiation and integration. If the integration of the rate is equal to the amount, then if I want to find the rate given the amount, I have to take the derivative of the amount. This is because derivatives and integration are inverse operations. Alright, bottom line. Addition is the inverse of subtraction, multiplication is the inverse of division, and differentiation is the inverse of integration. Alright, so why do you care? Okay, knowing the fundamental theorem, FTC, allows us to find the derivative given its integral, or vice versa. Alright, for example, if I am given the integration of f of x as a function of gx, and I'm asked to find g prime of x, that means taking the derivative dy dx of the integral of f of x. So if I take this, these are inverse operations, right? Like addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. So if I do this, then these are just going to cancel out, which is just going to leave me with a function f of x. Alright guys, that is all. Thank you for watching. Po out.